Yes, yes, student strength is very less. Only 17 students are there. Now students are joining. We'll wait another 2 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll start the session. Let them join.
Yeah.
Yes, students, why strength is less?
Ma'am, I have put message in group, ma'am. I don't know
Okay,
why.
okay. Let them join. Yes, students, after this session at 4 o'clock, HOD sir and Nagbhushan sir, they'll join with the same link at 4 o'clock. So all have to join. So we will discuss about project, mini project. I told before, HOD sir is going to check the status of your mini project. Okay. Yes, students, can you see the screen? In last lab, how many programs we have executed? Nobody remember?
Basic calculator, ma'am, I think.
Yaudo?
Calculator.
Yes. No, calculator, I told you to try. I explained you that paragraph program, no? The part of the program I explained you that in that I told you to do some modification, add Z index value.
7 ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ 7 ಆಗಿದೆ.
One by one, please, students. Ready? Somebody was telling something. Yes, students, can you see the screen? In last lab, I explained you 8th program. I have skipped the 7th program. In 7th program also only part A I have to explain. B already we have executed. I have shown the program that is display. B all. Okay, I'll take later. Okay. Didi kodu. Okay, give. Now you know the yes, students, 8 program I explained. 7th I need to explain. I told you to try 9 program. How many of you tried?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you tried? I'm getting some messages in the chat box. No message. Nobody tried? Only Kaushik tried. What about others? Paninda tried. Yes, Paninda, you got the output?
Yes, ma'am. I got.
What about the remaining students? And what about the 8 program students? 8 program. Yes, students, you have to respond. Even you have to work. Otherwise, it is difficult. Okay, that we'll discuss later. Let me explain one program now. Yes, students, 9th program. It is you have to try this 9th program. It is not at all tough program. Just you need to develop a calculator. You try. If you are not able to get this program, get the output of this program, then definitely I'll give the code and I'll explain. First, you have to try. You have to show me what you have tried. Okay. And coming to 9th program students, develop and demonstrate using jQuery to solve the following. That is, limit character input in the text area, including count. And based on the that is A, and B is based on checkbox, enable, disable and enable the forms submit button. So using the checkbox, you need to enable and disable the submit button. So that is 10th program. And one more jQuery program we have in our syllabus, that is last program, that is 11th program. Develop and demonstrate using jQuery to solve the following, that is fade in and fade out all the divisions. Yes, ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೆನ್ಪು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, students, you are remembering anything? In today's class I explained this program. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And animate an element by changing the height and width. By changing the height and width, you have to animate the program. How you change the height and width?
Using animate function by giving the values parameters within
Yes,
square
yes,
flower
yes.
brackets.
Exactly. Yes. Yes, students, this 11 program also I explained today. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain once again. If you have a doubt, I'll explain once again, students. Give me 2 minutes.
Mama,
Mama?
can I have these?
No, please. Already had juice, no?
No, I didn't drink.
First you have juice.
I didn't.
Aka's birthday.
No, actually, juice का मसाला हाकिंदला.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. Monday is Aka's birthday.
What's today's date? Balloons ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾರ birthday ಗ?
Yes, students. So coming to the last program, that is 11 in 11th program, that fade in and fade out program. Shall I explain this once again, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, students. Students, see here. This is a program. What is this statement, students? ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು? You know what is that? This is a jQuery file, students. Yes, I told now to run the jQuery program. There are two methods. One is download the jQuery library file and store in your folder and save that folder name. Save that folder with the .js extension, and here we give the folder name. Yes, and one more method is by giving the path of the jQuery file. If internet is present in your, if internet is there, if net connection is there in your desktop or in your laptop, then you can execute using by giving this path. But when you get this program in the lab, that time you will not get an internet connection, correct? No? So So that time nobody asked me this doubt. Yes, I was expecting you may ask this doubt. So what you have to do is you have to download a jQuery file and save that jQuery file in your folder and give that file name. This is the jQuery file, students. You'll not understand this by if you see this, if you read this. This is a jQuery file. This I have downloaded and I have stored in my folder with the jQuery.js extension. Getting? So this is the jQuery, and from here my ready function is started. That is jQuery program. Click function I'm using, and the button here, the ID value I'm taking, students. Why I'm taking two buttons. I'm taking two buttons. One is for fade out and one is for fade in. Fade in and fade out. And here a div tag is there. A div tag is there with a width 100%. And here we have two buttons. Here we have two buttons. And see, you can observe one more thing, students. For fade out means for erase, the delay is 300 milliseconds. And for fade in, to display, the delay is 3000 milliseconds. 3000 milliseconds. I will run the program, students. Yes, students, see the output. See the output, students. jQuery file already it will be there in the during lab, students. I'll ask. I will tell the instructor to already to download the jQuery file. No need to worry about that. Akrut. Yes, students. This is the div tag. This is a div tag. The background color of a div tag is blue. The text in the div tag is my effect is fade out. So I'm clicking on fade out. Already it is visible. Now I want to erase it. One minute, students. Yes. Yes, students, you want to tell anything? Here I am showing the different program, the other program with the .jQuery extension. Yes, students, see here. Yes, students, the data has erased. Yes. Now I'll click on fade in. The data is visible. The data is displayed or the data is shown. Yes, students, any confusion? Any confusion, students? See here, this is a program. In this two functions, I'm taking fade out and fade in. Fade out is to erase the data. Fade in is to display the data. Now, once again, I'm running. I will not click on fade in. Why? Because already the data is displayed. Now I want to erase the data, or I want the data should be disappeared, fade out. So I'm clicking on fade out and it is taking 3 seconds of delay. So why? Because here in the bracket only I have given 3 seconds. So when I am clicking on immediately, the data is not erasing, students. Yes. Erased. And now I'll click on fade in. Yes, this is your 11th A program, students. This is your 11th A program. Yes, students, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Yes, anybody have doubt? And 11B program, students, animate an element by changing the height and width. By changing the height and width, you need to animate the Animate the element. So here I have taken a box. What the box is? The box is nothing but a div tag. Yes, students, can you see the text which I have highlighted? So the box style is background color, height and width and margin I have specified. And here I am taking two buttons. Button 1 and button 2. The name of a first button is animate height and width, and the name of a second button is reset. Means suppose if the size of a So according to this program, what should happen is according to this program, suppose I have a box. With the size this much. So when I click on this box, what should happen is it should increase in the height and width. When I click on the box, when I click on the button 1, that is animate button, then it should increase the box size in height and width. When I click on the reset button, again it should come back to its original position. This is the question, students. Yes, students, understood the question? Here you need to take a block or you need to take an element. When the default size, by default, the size of the element will be this much. When you click on the first button, that is animate button, the block size or the element size should vary or change in height and width. Then when you click on reset button, again it should come back to the original position. Yes, students, understood? Like this program you need to execute. So now I will run the code and I will show you. Later I will explain you, students. So here I have two buttons, students. One is animate height and width and the second button is reset. This is the element. The element is nothing but a div tag. Yes, in the div tag, the background color, height and width, how much I have taken? 100 pixel and 100 pixel. Now what happens, you see, now I'll click on animate height and width. What is happening, students? What is happening?
The width and height being increasing.
The width and height is changing. Now I'll click on reset button. It is coming back to its original position, correct? Now once again I'll click on the animate button. Reset button. How it is happening? We'll see in the code. Students. That is button 1 and button 2. Sorry, button 1 for box, animate, the width should change to Yes, students, when I click on animate button, the width should change to 300 pixel and height to 2000 pixel with a time delay of 5000 milliseconds. This should happen when I click on the first button. When I click on the second button or the reset button, what should happen? Animate width 100 pixel and height 100 pixel with 1500 millisecond delay. See here, students, the initial The original or the default size what I have given for the box is height is 100 pixel and width is 100 pixel. When I click on the animate, when I click on this button, animate height and width button, then what should happen? The width should change to 300 pixel and height should change to 2000 pixel with a delay of 5000 milliseconds. When I click on the reset button, then again it should come back to the original position, 100 and 100 width 100 and height 100 pixel. So the same thing is happening here. So slowly it is changing. The 5000 milliseconds I have given now. When I click on reset, compared to the this showing changing the height and size quickly, the only 1500 milliseconds time delay I have given, so it is less time to reset its position. Yes, students, getting? Yes, students, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask students. This 11th program I'll share in the GCR. Yes, students, 11th program I have completed. 10th program I need to explain. 9th, that is, you have to execute the 9th program. 8th program, partial, I have explained. So you need to do slide one Z index value you need to include in the program, students. So how many programs are left out? 10, 7, 4. 10, 7 and 4. If we complete these 3 programs, then part A will be completed. Yes, students? Yes, students, any doubt? If anybody have any error in the program, you can share your screen. I'll give you 2 minutes time, students. In 2 minutes time, you check if you have any errors in your program, you can share. Yes, students, nobody have any any error or any doubt in the program?
No, ma'am.
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಏನು ಎರರೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Yes, students, I am creating one assignment. In that, I am giving the lab programs. Lab programs. Eleventh program. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ? Yes, students, program 9 will you try? No, program 9, the calculator program. Will you try, or you want me to give? You want me to give the program? Try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Response, students.
Yes, ma'am. I will try.
You will try, ma'am. You know how many functions required in mini project. If you include 5 to 6 functionality, you include students 5 to 6. Yes, students. What about the 8th program? Sorry, 9th program, the calculator program. Will you try? Last lab, I demonstrated the program. Just I need to give the code.
Yes, ma'am. We'll try.
Okay. You try anyway. The code is with me. If you are not able to get the output, I will give. 10th program. All of you executed 6th program, students? Yes, students, all of you executed 6th program.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uploaded the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, once again, I'm repeating. Now we are left out with 4th program, 7th program, and 10th program. Only 3 program, students, in part A. Now we are left out with only 3 programs, 10th program, 4th program, and 7th program. Yes, students, I'll explain 7th program now. Okay?
Cảm ơn em. được mình cũng vậy. Được hay quá. Không, Stacy ạ. Em rất xin lỗi nha. Một cái tệ hại. Đừng buồn, cái này cho em nè.
Make group display.
Dừng lại đi. Santi, em có đau không? Em gọi nhẹ. Cũng đau hả? Một cây kỳ lạ.
Anh chơi nhở?
Yes, students, I am not getting 9A program. 9B program I have. Not 9. Which program? 7. Yes, 7A program. A program. Somewhere I have saved. I'm not able to search that program. I'll explain that later. 9B program already I explained, students. Once again I will explain you 9B program. 9B program I'll explain to students. Yes, students, this 9B program is very simple. Here you need to include a source of. Here we need to here we have to include a video tag. The video tag. In the video tag, you can specify the width and height of the video. The width and height of the video, and the source is nothing but the video, the file name. The file name. Here some cat video I have taken, cat.mp4. Type is video. I have taken, students. So now I will run this program. Yes. Manoj. Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj. Your voice is breaking, Manoj. Kaushik, what do you want to tell, Kaushik?
Nothing, ma'am.
Inappa?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ರೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವಾಗಲೇ.
You raised your hand, no? So that's why I asked. Manoj. Okay, students. So 9B program I'm running. 9B program also I'll share in the GCR. Some video I have taken. When I click on play, see. Something he is saying. Hmm? Yes, students. Any doubt? Any doubt, students, about mini project? So in tomorrow's class, in tomorrow's lab instructions class, I will explain 10th program, students. 10A, 10B, 7A program, that is dynamic progress bar, 7A program, and the fourth program. I'll try to explain fourth program, or if not, these two programs I'll explain, the 7th program and 10th program. If I explain 7th and 10th program, only fourth program will left out. So by next week, by next Wednesday, I will complete the explanation and demonstration of all the 11 programs, all part A 11 programs. Yes, students, now it is your job to execute all 11 programs in part A, and whatever the doubts, error you have, students, you please share your screen, and I will try to solve your errors. Yes, students, respond. If you don't respond, it is difficult, students. If you don't respond,
Yes,
if you are not responding, that means you don't have any errors.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು 6th ಫೋರಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Sixth ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಓವಲ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ
Only
print
one.
ಮಾಡೋದು.
See, in the question, that's why I told, no, in the last, when I was explaining the position of the position in the string of a leftmost vowel. First, yavaga left vowel encounter agatalla, it is no need, it is not bothering about the next vowel, students. Only the first. That's why I told, no, in few programs we count the number of vowels in a given string. That time, in that situation, what we do? So we take a position of a vowel and we count. But here, just you need to display the position of a vowel in the position of a vowel in a given string. That is leftmost vowel. Left and first one will be the leftmost. Correct, no?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Only first one.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. See, now you use a path only. Yes, I will share that file also in GCR. I will share that file also, students. Wait, let me complete this. Here I am creating the assignment for 8th and 9th program students. 8th and 9th program. You run and paste the output here. Output for 8th and 9th program.
Rubber is made of long, stringy chains of molecules. Pushing the skewer into these molecules is like putting your finger into
I will share that also. I will share that jQuery file also.
And when I move my finger, the spaghetti closes up again.
You try both, students. Try both.
I think there's like rubber or plastic or something in here that seals around the straw, just like the rubber on the balloon seals around the skewer. That's probably why Eric didn't spill it while he was drinking it upside down. He uncuffed the balloon.
So I have created a
and then pull it back out, and just
what is 7th program? The 7th program still it is pending.
like this.
So output of first, second program, third, fourth program still I have not. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, 11. What is 10, 11?
Fruta, tengo fruta. Fruta, tengo mucha fruta. Mira. Vale, chico. Esto es rojo, 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 rojo. Esto es rojo.
So here you have to attach the output of 10th and 11th program. Yes, students.
Esto es rojo, rojo, rojo.
Script tag. Darshan script tag.
Rojo, 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 rojo. ¿De qué color es esto?
Yes, students. No doubt.
Lo siento, niña. No tengo frutas amarillas aquí. No es así. Ven aquí, ¿vale? Tengo una fruta amarilla aquí. Hola, chicos.
Others don't have any doubt, students.
La cortaré para ti. Esto es amarillo, amarillo, amarillo. Esto es amarillo, amarillo. Es ¿de qué color es esto?
Yes, students. If you don't have any doubt, then I'll stop here and we'll meet at 3:50. All should present at 3:50, students, because HOD sir is going to address HOD sir and Nagbhushan sir. They want to address about mini project. Okay, I'll take the attendance and we will meet at 3:50.
Vengan por sus helados. Helados a la venta.
Hmm. Yes, I'll share. First, I'll share PPT. Yes, students, I have shared the PPT of first module and second module. Notes, give me some time. Notes I will share later. Answer your attendance, students. One,
Yes, ma'am.
two,
Yes, ma'am.
three,
Yes, ma'am.
four,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Yes, ma'am.
10,
Yes, ma'am.
11,
Yes, ma'am.
12, Rahmatullah, 12 absent, 13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Ma'am, 12 present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26, 27.
Present, ma'am.
26
Ma'am,
present,
26
ma'am.
has put in chat box.
Okay. 28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am. Mic issues.
Present, ma'am. Mic issue.
okay, 34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Yes, ma'am.
35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Yes, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Yes, ma'am.
41, 42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46, 47, 46 absent.
Network issue, ma'am.
Okay, 47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am. 49
50,
present, ma'am.
okay, 51,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Ma'am, she's present. She's having mic issue, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
46 present, ma'am.
okay, okay. Okay, students, I'll stop here. We'll meet at 3:55. Okay, students, exactly at 3:55, all should log in. I don't want anybody to log in after HOD sir login. 3:55, everybody should be present. All 58 students.
Ma'am. GCR
Yes.
timetable you have put 5:16 a.m.
For which
Today
program?
evening PM or tomorrow AM?
No, which program? For which program? Because I have not
both.
mentioned any timing.
For both 11 and
Maybe by
11.
default it has taken. I'll change.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
I will change. But students, for next session, the discussion with HOD sir and Dr. Nagbhushan sir. So we need to discuss about mini project. We will meet exactly at 3:55.
Ma'am, to which link?
It's the same link, the same lab link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, students, let's stop here. We will meet at 3:55.